Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. I am recording this intro after the fact of what you're watching. So yeah, was kind of in a hurry to get to our friend's house to check out that kit car, the Series 5. God, I'm really bad with names. But yeah, let's get to the video. No outro either, but yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already done so. Like, share with anyone that might like this type of content. Now let's get to the video. Surprised, because a lot of these guys like buy other YouTubers' cars. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, so I don't know if you look at the engine of the SCI, even though it's like melted.
Yeah.
They look very similar because they're both EJ engines. So
Wow.
yeah.
That's crazy. Look at that. It takes up the whole thing.
I don't know, it's just like, I mean, it's everything you
So
need.
you've got like the factory like cat down there.
Yeah, exactly, right?
That's crazy.
Yeah, they
DC
basically
intake.
like take that tube frame from Factory 5 Racing, and then they take the transmission and the long block from the Impreza donor vehicle, and they just fucking throw it in there.
Wow.
It's pretty fun, actually.
Remember I was saying how I got the Momo steering wheel? I had that on my first car ever, an 88 Honda Civic. I had a DC Sport.
Nice.
Intake and headers too.
Oh, wow, dude.
Yeah. What a coincidence.
At least 50 horsepower.
At least.
At least.
I was able to like, you know, maybe beat an old Volkswagen Bug.
Oh, it's got like the foot hinges too.
Highlight of that day was
You
not lifting on turn 8.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, I don't think the fitment is great.
I like how the 4C, so the 4C you can't, it's like a body panel you have to take apart.
Oh, really?
So there's no frunk in the 4C. Oh, which way is the hinges?
Yeah, I don't want to crank
There's
on
no hinge.
Oh, it just pops up.
Yeah, the fitment's just not great.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
so-
this is what like the 4C would be like.
V-mount, dude.
I know, right?
It's like an RX-7.
And that steering rack.
This looks like a pain in the dick to give an alignment to.
Oh.
Yeah, probably. I think that. Yeah, I don't know.
Pretty cool.
A little bit of space
But yeah,
right
so
there.
this is from the donor vehicle, you know?
Yeah.
I guess you wouldn't
That's
really want
cool.
to keep anything in here though, because
No.
block the
No.
airflow.
Exactly.
No.
Oh, this is sad. Oh no.
Yeah. It's like anything that wasn't made out of like metal or silicon.
Melted.
Melted. So like all the wiring like melted.
Oh god.
Yeah.
You
Probably.
actually saw like fire coming straight out?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, there was like black smoke and like some flames, and then there were
Oh my
flames
God.
like were coming like wrapped around under the car and stuff.
Oh god.
You use a fire extinguisher to like get out.
It's just oh my god. It just went up on its own, or is it from like an accident?
I think that an oil line somewhere must have somehow got a leak, and then like oil got on the exhaust and
Yeah.
caught on fire. I don't know.
Damn, that's scary.
We gotta figure out which way.
Look at that. Wow.
I guess they're calling that. Well, we've been calling the sway bar. It's not actually the sway bar. It's fine. Okay, 46. I'll try one over. That's a ring.
We got a better look at Stefan's. Man, I forgot what it's called already. A1A1? A18. Stefan, what is it called again?
This is a 818S.
There you go.
Factory 5 Racing.
Alright. There you go. I was like, I forgot what it's called already. We got Luke's Type R. This thing is sick. Woo! You guys know this is my favorite color.
I mean, if you're getting a Type R, why wouldn't you get Champ White?
Hell yeah. Like the old Integras. Oh yeah. Oh, that's cool. You changed the exhaust.
Yeah, so stock, it's
It's
super
3,
quiet.
right? Isn't
It's
it?
3 and it's super quiet. So when
No.
I would be at the racetrack, I'd be bouncing off the rev limiter and I wouldn't even know it.
Nothing, wow.
Because like when you're at the track, you're not looking at your speedo.
Right. That's cool. Yeah, that was the complaint I heard too, was that people didn't like how quiet they were.
Yeah.
Like stock, but that's an easy fix.
So yeah, I mean, it's resonated. I like how it sounds. It definitely, I can hear it at the track with my helmet on, which is nice.
Yeah.
And then like, when I've taken it to like get an alignment or something, and they drive it off to the shop, I hear it and I'm like, oh, I like that. I like
Hell yeah.
Technically illegal because
Wow.
it doesn't have to be inspected.
Dude, that's fun.
that. Oh, this might be a problem. Mine's tall.
It's pretty low though.
Oh, the floor pan's like fucking.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I gotta be
your
like-
head's below the.
Wait, Luke, how tall are you?
6'2".
6'2". Yeah, you
Oh,
fit good, dude.
I fit pretty well. I'm like 6 foot.
I'm a real man's height.
Oh God.
Maybe you should lift real man's weights.
Are we in neutral to start it, or what?
Yeah, you're good.
That is so funny. Oh, it died. Oh no, it's sitting on the thingy.
No, it's good.
It's okay, okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's fine.
Slow.
Whoa, you're good. Nice,
Nice.
That's how.
I'm glad you did this. Thank
Yeah,
you.
that was pretty low.
Thanks for the car. Just kidding.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Just jump inside.
Oh,
But you know you can
wait,
open.
really? Oh, wait, really? Okay, I'm like, wait a minute. I thought I broke the door.
Dukes of Hazzard style.
Oh, jeez. Oh, I'm too fat for this. Oh, I can't get my.
You too fat, I'm too tall.
Oh, jeez, I can't get my leg in. Ah! Oh, there you go. Got it. Sorry, I'm just being a baby.
Dude, this gearbox is trash.
Oh.
This gearbox is so fucking bad.
Woo. Yeah, this is funny. There are all those cars that people say drive like go-karts.
Oh,
This
I feel like a go-kart would have better fucking, have a better gearbox, dude. I hate you. Every Subaru I've driven, I do not like the gearbox. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Good thing I didn't fucking-
They're looking at it like, what the hell is that?
Alright, we'll go around the block.
Ferrari.
Yeah, dude, we can't afford it. Well, at least we know the brakes work.
Yeah. Oh jeez.
Oh, nice. He recognizes the power.
Well, this thing's like out of his way.
It's loud.
Dude, it sounds good. Oh yeah. Yeah, that sounds good. Woo, what's that?
Oh, damn. A real race car.
There you go.
Yeah, you get that quick release steering wheel.
Oh, I didn't even think about taking it off.
It doesn't.
Oh,
have
can
it,
you?
I don't think. I need one.
Oh, can you get up?
Got the.
You don't like the transmission?
Oh. Go drive my Civic.
I was looking at the brakes. I was like, oh, they're just like little. Because I have the big Brembos on the STI. This car's great, dude. This is excellent.
So much fucking fun.
Man, you can't even tell it's not power steering.
Yeah, like once you get rolling, it's not that bad.